Good morning, ma'am. So, in the material topic, today we are going to start with the issue of materials to production. Okay, issue of materials to production. So, in the issue of materials to production, here we have a different types of methods. Nothing but how to issue the materials to the production. So, here one point I want to say you that it's if suppose we have purchased a raw material, okay, that raw material should be converted into finished goods. Okay na? So here what happens is the raw material which we have purchased, that raw material should be stored at one place. After that what happens, the raw material, okay, the raw material should be sent for what ma? For what purpose? For the production purpose. So total raw material at a time we can't send for the production. As per the requirement of the production department, we have to send the raw material. Till that time the raw material should be stored at one place. Okay, so here what happens means the raw material will purchase regularly. We will purchase raw material as per the requirement of the production. We will purchase raw material regularly. So here what we are issuing, nothing but from, let us think, from where we have stored the raw material in godown. Okay, from godown we have to issue the raw material to the production department. So here what happens means after purchasing the raw material, okay, that raw material will be stored in godown. Again from godown the raw material will be sent for the production purpose. So here what happens means issuing the raw material for production purpose, here we have to maintain a ledger. Okay, nothing but the stock which we are sending for the production purpose. For that purpose what we have to do, we have to maintain a ledger. That ledger is nothing but it is called as a store ledger. Nothing but in store how much of raw material is left over and how much of a raw material is sent for production. Okay, so here what happens means how much of raw material is left in the store and how much of raw material is sent for the production. So here what happens means we have to maintain a store ledger over here. So for maintaining a store ledger we have a different types of methods over here. So what are those different types of methods means? See here, first in first out, FIFO method. Okay, first in first out, okay, FIFO method. So next, second one coming to the last in first out. So here first in first out means what? See, the material which we have purchased, nothing but the raw material which we have purchased first, that raw material should be issued to the production. That is the meaning of first in first out. Nothing but the raw material which we have purchased first, that raw material should be sent for the production. So that is it. Next, coming to the last in first out. Last in first out means nothing but the raw material lastly which we have purchased, that raw material sent to production first. So first in first out, while explaining the problem it will be clear for you. Okay, see here, last in first out, the method assumes that material purchased are issued in reverse order, that is the last receipt in the first issue. Okay, the cost of materials last received is used in pricing the material first issue. Nothing but the raw material which we have purchased in last, that raw material should be issued first. After that, average cost method. So in average cost method we have two methods, simple average method and weighted average method. Next, base stock method. So for you in the problems you have till base stock method. After a specific method, market price or replacement price method, standard price method, inflated price methods. Okay, these are the methods we have for issuing the raw material to the production purpose. These are the methods for maintaining the store ledger. So today I am going to discuss with the first in first out. Okay, ma'am. So, and very important for the long questions. Okay, compulsory 100% you will be getting a question either from FIFO, LIFO, simple or weighted. So compulsory you have to prepare these methods. Okay, now you see the 12th question, ma. See here, Adarsh company purchased and issued material in the following order he has given. Nothing but a company, it has purchased a raw material